I've tested a lot of these $1 bundle deals, and honestly, most of them are just recycled content packed together to push upsells. So I decided to test the $1 Bonanza Bundle and compare it with other similar deals. Check the link in the description if you want to follow along. Here's the issue with cheap bundles. Too much low-quality content, no clear structure, no real strategy to use them, and you end up wasting time instead of making money. That's why most beginners quit early. What you actually need is simple tools you can use immediately, products that serve a purpose, something that helps you move forward, not overwhelm you. So let's see if this bundle actually delivers that. The $1 Bonanza Bundle is positioned as a low-cost entry into digital marketing. You get access to multiple products for just $1. Sounds crazy, but the real value depends on what's inside and how usable it is. Now let me compare this with typical Warrior Plus bundles. Most $1 bundles, random PLR products, outdated PDFs, no real structure, pure upsell funnels. $1 Bonanza. What I noticed, slightly more organized content, some beginner-friendly guides, better entry-level usability, still not premium, but more usable. So it's not revolutionary, but it's not the worst either. Inside the bundle, you'll typically find affiliate marketing guides, traffic generation ideas, basic online business training, digital product resources. Now here's the key insight. The value is not in quantity, it's in how you use specific pieces. Let me show you a smarter way to use this. Step 1. Pick one useful product. Step 2. Turn it into a free lead magnet. Step 3. Drive traffic using YouTube or Instagram. Step 4. Promote higher ticket offers later. This is where beginners go wrong. They try to use everything, instead of using it strategically. Used properly, this bundle can help you start building an audience, understand digital product flow, create your first simple funnel, learn without spending a lot. Let's keep it real. Still contains some low-value content, not a complete business system, no step-by-step roadmap, requires effort and external tools. So don't expect this to do the work for you. $1 entry point upsells exist, which is normal. Only buy upgrades if they align with your goal. Best for beginners testing online business, people building email lists, affiliate marketers needing bonus content. Not for advanced marketers, people looking for automation systems, anyone expecting instant income. Compared to other $1 bundles, this one is slightly better than average, but still requires strategy to unlock value. If you used it right pointing arrow, it's worth it. If you don't right pointing arrow, it's just another download folder. Check the link in the description if you want to try it yourself.